Hello friends, welcome to Gaming with Tech. Today we are going to show you how to transfer all your Google accounts to your OnePlus device on one click. So let's get started. At first, tap on the OnePlus Setup in Progress box. Then tap on Next. Then skip. And then connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. After that, tap on a backup from an Android phone. And then you can see a pop-up on your old Android device saying set up your new OnePlus phone. So just tap on that. After doing that, your OnePlus device will ask you to verify the shapes on your old device. Match the shapes and then tap on Next. After verifying the shapes, tap on Next to copy your Google accounts on your new OnePlus device. Verify your old phone and then wait till your old device copies data on your OnePlus device. Now you can see your OnePlus phone starts copying your Google accounts. Now wait for a little while till your phone setup things up for you. Now your OnePlus device will ask you to confirm your old screen lock, verify the password and then tap on Next. After that, you will get an option to choose what to restore. If you want your apps to get restored, then click on Restore, otherwise tap on Don't Restore. Now just accept the terms and conditions. And then set up your device and re-enter your PIN. That's it. All your Google accounts and its data transferred on your phone successfully. If you want to know how to transfer all your old data to your new OnePlus phone in one click, we have already made a video on it. Tap on the I button to check out that video as well. Now you can see all my old Google accounts are successfully restored to my new OnePlus phone. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, press on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for such latest updates.